Good morning, Desert Heights Coyotes, and thanks for joining us. I am Jordan, and this is my co-anchor, Sophia. We begin tonight with a developing story.
Today, students from all over the school are meeting to talk about a very important behavior expectation for our success at school.
These students are looking at one of the expectations that we have in the H.O.W.L. Today, we are going to discuss the H, which stands for have respect, and how we can show this part of the H.O.W.L in an assembly.
Our own Raven is live with a few students to ask how they have respect at an assembly.
How do you have respect in an assembly? Stay quiet. How do you have respect in an assembly?
Listen to the speaker.
How do you have respect in an assembly? Voice level 0.
Now that we have learned how some students have respect in an assembly, we as a news team would like you to talk with your classmates about what you have learned.
We want you to focus on have respect next assembly. You've been watching DHES TV News.
Goodbye and make it a great week, Coyotes.